Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our next lecture and to our next video in this course and class on how to use Amazon Video Direct to create your own online business with Amazon by selling your videos in their marketplace. Right now you are here in my dashboard. As you can see, we can have a look at my dashboard. Nothing actually very exciting is happening at the moment because I've just started out, but let me get you a little bit acquainted with the dashboard so you can know exactly how it works. When you are in the actual dashboard, so on the first page, you have performance metrics. Probably you know that already. A lot of platforms do this. On the first page you have some performance metrics for your publications, for your content, to see how it goes. So first of all, the first thing is that you have these performance metrics for total minutes streamed, so practically how many minutes from all of your videos were streamed, and you have different filters here, okay, for all your videos in the last 7 days, and you can see exactly for the different platforms that Amazon has, okay, which videos were streamed, how many minutes were streamed there, okay, and you will have like a metrics, like a graph here, okay, in this section here. So you can use the filters in the moment that you have more, and obviously a very important tool for those of you that are more analytical and want to track very closely these metrics is the fact that you can export the results of a month into a CSV into your computer and compare it with other months and so on. Okay, after that you can also see for each day how many minutes were streamed on each of the platforms right here. So this will be very useful in the future when my publications will be ready and my videos will be ready. Then you will have the earnings part, okay, where you can see exactly how much money you earned on each of the platforms, and then the payment section where you can see exactly how much money you have earned, practically not earnings, because this is practically the money that will go into your bank account. Okay, now a very important thing, then you have the videos. Okay, here as you can see, the dashboard is actually very simple. You have the your videos buttons where you can see all of your content publicated here on Amazon, that was published here on Amazon, sorry. So as you can see right now, but we will talk more about this in our next videos. You have 3 types of video content that you can publish: standalone videos, so if you only publish one video; episodic videos, if you have like a web series, okay, like maybe a YouTube show or something like that, you can publish it here like a web series, okay. So for TV shows, web series, and for those of you that create online courses, probably you will use this episodic type of videos, okay, because you will create a course like it would be a web series. Then you will have the subscription program, which is actually very interesting. If you are continuously publishing content on a certain subject, maybe you are interviewing people, having podcasts and stuff like that, is definitely worth it to have a look into this subscription plan, because you can practically build a base of subscribers that pay you every month. So somehow you practically build a type of residual income business, okay, when you have a certain amount of money that are coming into your bank account every single month, because you know you have maybe 1,000 subscribers that pay you $3 per month to watch your TV show, okay. So I'm just giving you an example. As you can see, I already have here episodic. I've already uploaded a section of a course of mine, but I have to add captions to it. I didn't do it. And I've already added a video here that I'm waiting for it to be published, because I already added the captions and everything, and I want to see exactly how it goes. Now you have the support part here, okay, in your dashboard, which is actually very important. I recommend you to have a look into this, because you will get more acquainted to the platform. And if you go to the dashboard, you will understand much easier how actually the dashboard looks like, okay. So you can understand, have a look here, read all these things. And also I would definitely recommend you to have a look into the technical specification for video, audio, file formats, caption and art requirements. Here you can find more information about that, because as I've told you before in our checklist, it's very important to have these things set up properly from the beginning, so you won't have any surprises later, and you don't have to procrastinate with your publishing and other things like that. So that's about everything that I want to show you with the dashboard. Obviously, I recommend you to go into the support section after you create the dashboard and have a look around here, so you can get more acquainted with the platform. But in a very big part, this is about it, so it's not very complicated. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye for now.